in 1888. His father and his family members or uncles, they were contractors, and some were teachers in Hyderabad, and they used to teach many students there. So that name was because they were giving talim to everybody. So that name was given. So that now we are continuing with. We are, but this name Talim sounds Muslim, but we are Hindus. And from then, after the death of his father, Balaji Vasantrao Talim's mother came to Mumbai. Relatives, and then Mr. Balaji Talim had a liking for art, sketching, and sculpture. So that time he joined JJ School of Art, and from there he have 5 years degree in sculpture. And that time in his schooling days, college, he was a very bright student, and won many awards and gold medals from the JJ. So after finishing his degree sculpture in college, he started on his own to make statues in the city of Mumbai. Initially, his journey was difficult due to that time we were under the regime of British government, and there were no facilities to start a studio and make statues. So that time. And after 8 to 10 years, he was a small land, and there he built his studio and started working. Then, as he proceeded with his sculpture, many big families in Mumbai, like Tatas, like Birla, many industrialists, and many British approach him to make their statues. So then he got money and fame. Then he purchased a big land in Mumbai, Opera House, where I am sitting now. This premise is so this is a very blessed place, a divine place where still we are working.
So Talimji, can you bring
Now,
microphone?
Baba took Samadhi in 1918, and after his Samadhi, his soul was kept on the Samadhi for darshans. Ceremonies when like Datta Jayanti, Purnima, many people used to come and they could not see that Samadhi and photo. So they requested come and approved. So the committee member started looking for good professional sculptors, reputed sculptors in India. Only two or three sculptors in Mumbai who are working in Mumbai. One of them was my grandfather. So
So
they approached.
Talimji,
Yes,
can you
yes.
can you bring microphone closer to you?
Can you see the video? Right?
I can see
Hello.
the.
Is it better now?
Yes, yes. Your video gets frozen. I'm presuming because we are using the dongle and there is no weak network, which is okay. So I think it
Is it
it got.
better?
Yes, yes, it is better. So I think today we have network issues over there because they are using a dongle and there's no network there. But where he's sitting, I wanted to share that this is the same place where Baba's Pratima was sculpted, and this is the same place where Baba gave darshan to Bala Sahib Talemji. And next to him, what you are seeing is the actual model that Talemji made for Sansthan based on what they approved, and then they actually made the right.
हे सगळं
It's now
feel
become
झालेलं
still
आहे.
actually.
हम्म.
There is a lag between.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Talimji, we can hear you now, but it's going on and off.
Network full है.
और नहीं आपला इशू नहीं है.
आपका issue नहीं
मध्ये
है.
काहीतरी इशू आहे.
And this thing is very well connected to our laptop.
Your video is not coming correctly. So
बोलत जाईल तर ते सगळं मधलं blank होईल ना सगळं.
do you want to dial in back again? Connect again. Can you connect again? Log off and connect again, Jayesh bhai.
Back again. Can you repeat what you want?
Can you connect again? Disconnect and connect again.
Puneet ji, I mean, can you hear us and can you see us?
We can hear you.
Okay, okay,
But it's,
okay.
it's going offline.
Yeah, yeah.
Within 2 minutes or so.
So I've asked them to connect again. So he doesn't have any network there. For because they make those sculptures, and otherwise there's a distraction for all the artists. So he has deliberately removed all the network. So we are running on dongle today, so that's why apologies.
Puneet ji, otherwise, they can record the whole video and then show us.
Yeah, no, we have a PPT also, but the main thing was I wanted to show the devotees the place where Baba gave darshan.
No. They can. If that is not possible, they can do the video, capture the video and show us.
Yeah. So let's give it another shot.
You saw the Baba's Murti in a Flushing temple.
Yeah.
Yeah, Rajuji only did it. They
Okay.
sculpted it. Yeah, he came
Oh,
here
great.
also.
Yeah.
They have many places they did it.
So I think what we will do is I will start. They are having some issues, I guess. So I will start with you guys walking you through this thing. And if they join the middle, that will be good. So I think you can all see this is Balasaheb Talim, and like Rajiv ji was saying, he they are from Hyderabad actually. This family is from Hyderabad. They were earlier their forefathers were land contractors for the Nizam, and some of their other family members they started into the education teaching, and that's where they got their name Talim. Like Rajiv ji mentioned, it's not a it's not a it looks like Muslim, but they are Hindu family.
Can you hear me? Can you see me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Your video is off. Yes, now we can hear you. Yes. And see you also. Yes.
The video is off, but यहाँ पर link नहीं है बता.
No. We can see you now.
The video is on now. From
Yeah.
our side, it is on.
हाँ, but he says.
Can you see us?
Yes.
Can you see us, Malik ji?
Yes, we can see you.
We can't hear you properly.
Okay, let me tell them. I think they have
Rajiv
network
ji, can
issues.
you hear us? Rajiv ji, can you hear us?
Malik ji, we can see you and we can see you also, bro. One minute. We can hear you. Whether you can see us or hear, can you, I mean, can you get the sound from our side? Yeah. Okay.
Can you hear me? My sound? Can you hear me properly?
Yes.
Yeah, we can hear you. We can hear you.
Hello. Can I start now?
Yes. Start.
Hello. Can I start? The gap है हमारे को, no? Hello. Can I start now? Hello.
Malik ji.
Rajiv ji, can you hear us? We can hear you very well.
Hello.
We can start.
No, see, our network and all is perfect because twice we're in a trial from here only. At the same time, yeah. But so no, I mean, no, 1 minute, sir. Malik ji, whether the network at your end, just check up the network at your end, sir. Yeah, we are getting Okay. Can we go that side?
This side. Okay, we'll go.
We'll rearrange. I'm coming back to you.
But it is a lot of help पाहिजे त्याचा problem नाही.
Okay. So I think they'll rearrange, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk you through in the interest of time, right? So Talim ji was a Vitthal devotee, and he was born in 1880s. At that time, Baba was there, right? But he never went to Baba, but for family reasons, through generations, they were a Vitthal devotee. And, finally, Baba decided to come to Shirdi or Vithalji decided to come to Shirdi as Baba, and he chosen Bala Sahib Talemji, and he was like Rajiv ji mentioned, he was uh, he was interested in sculpture, and he went to JJ school in Mumbai, right? And he was his lot of sculptures are all over the place in Mumbai, or and it's not just Baba, but he made, actually you will see, I will show you Upasni Maharaj and many other Pramanandji, many other saints. So this is Talemji's family, Balaji Talem, right? And his son Harish Bhai Talem, who's no more, and Rajiv Talemji, who was just talking to us. So Talemji, this Talemji studio is right in the center of Mumbai. It's in the Mumbai town, right? And it is actually also called Sai Dham Wadi, right? Because of the proximity of the Sai Baba Mandir right next to it, that you can see there, and the Baba's Pratima, what is there. This is the map. I will share with you all the locations. Now, this slide actually was, built by Jayesh Bhai and Talemji, but I'm just walking you through because of the network issue. So, why this decided, or they thought of building the Baba statue. So what used to happen was that, in the, yeah, can you, so I'm walking them through the slides, Talimji. Can you? So what used to happen was that during Baba's on the Samadhi, right? Earlier there was a Baba's picture. So when devotees will sit around the Baba Samadhi, they will block the picture, and many devotees, they won't be able to see it. So what Sansthan decided, that we should build Baba's sculpture, and that was one of the reasons why it was they started looking for the sculptors. And you can see in this picture how devotees are doing abhishek, and they are all surrounding the samadhi, and when the picture is, Baba's photo was with garlands, you can't see Baba, so it was blocking the view from the devotees. And this is the board of the trustees. You saw this picture before also, Nana Sahib Rasne's session, where Nana Sahib Rasne is right on the left, right? And this trustee board decided that we should install Baba's Murti, so that Baba's darshan could be had from anywhere within the temple, and through windows, and outside the temple. And after much deliberation, it was decided to have statue made in Mumbai, as the artists and sculptures in Mumbai were known, and some were quite famous. And some trustees went around Mumbai sculptor studios with Baba's 2D photograph. And this is a very interesting thing you're gonna see. You will see how Talemji's miracles happened with Talemji. There was only a 2D photograph, and they settled on the 3D sculptor studios, of which Talemji was one of them. So Talemji was given, and like others, only the 2D picture of, we will see that picture also later. They were given this 2D picture of Baba, and was asked to, build the sculpture. But what I heard from Jayesh Bhai and Talemji, they told me that, for sculptor to build, he or she needs to know the 3D form of the person they are actually sculpting. So that was a big challenge, and they had to imagine the side profile, nose, eyes, lips, etc. projections. And with each thoughts and sketches, Talimji was not satisfied. So Talimji would sit for hours and hours and keep awake till late night, just thinking of Baba's, how Baba, used to look. Because, and this is the picture, what you're seeing here was given to Talimji. So one day, Talimji entered his studio in the early morning with a disturbed mind, and this is the same place where actually you were seeing Talimji sitting right now in this thing. So as he entered, he could see a bright glow of light, and within that glow he saw Baba. So that was Baba's manifestation to Talimji to show this is how I look. And Baba told Talimji to see him properly and observe the body. After about 10 seconds, Baba disappeared and Talimji stood there with an awe-stricken face. And he, after realizing what he saw and experienced, he sat and thought of Baba and completed the model with all its lifelike grandeur and excellence. So this is a real, Baba's manifestation for Talimji, who was really anxious to sculpt him, and he hadn't seen him, and he was wondering how he can do a justice to his job. And Talimji completed the model. This is you just saw right behind Rajiv Talimji, the model that they built for Baba, and it is still there, and anyone can go and see. A lot of devotees go there, and there are really good vibes out there. That's what I hear. I would love to go there myself also. So what happened after Talimji built this model? So he wanted Sansthan, because Sansthan has to approve it that this is exact replica. Is this good enough? So he asked Sansthan people to please come to Mumbai for approving the model. But he said one thing, that आप यहाँ आने से पहले जो बाकी sculptures हैं उनके पास जाके देख के आना. Right? So because there were other sculptors also, Sansthan has shortlisted few sculptors and Talimji was one of them. So, and of course, the people who were very close to Baba, like Lakshmibai Shinde and Shama ji, Tatya, Shannanand Swami ji, these were the people who were to actually, along with the Sansthan trustees, they were to approve whether this Baba sculpture is exactly like that, because they were the people who had actually seen Baba physically. So after visiting most of the studios, the people from Shirdi and trustee board came to Talimji studio. On seeing the model, Lakshmibai Shinde, Shamaji, Tatya Kote and other Baba's close devotees broke down and cried and said, Maharaj Apan Parat Alat, Baba, you have come back. So that showed, and it had to be like that because Baba had given Talimji his manifestation, he's shown himself, so it had to be exact replica. And that's what happened when Lakshmibai Shinde, Tatya, Shamaji aaye. तो उन्होंने कहा ये तो बिल्कुल exact बाबा बिल्कुल exact same है. So now of course the Talimji's sculpture was approved, model was approved, but now the question was where to get the stone, because they wanted to get the best stone for this murti, and the specification of the stone required by Talimji was so stringent, it was difficult to find such kind of stone block. And this stone block is rare and difficult to find in India. So the purest and high quality stone as required by Talimji could be made available only from Italian Carrara quarries, from which the famous Michelangelo made statues for Vatican, and the cost was very high. So, and he will require at least 2 months for finding this quality of stone. So that was another challenge. Now the model is approved, where to get the stone, and also remember at that time Sansthan didn't have that much finances as it is the good condition as it's today. So that's another Baba's miracle, right? I'm sure few of you may already know. So one day what happened, that a friend of Talimji happened to drop by about his new project. And this guy was working with the Bombay Port Trust. Talimji informed his friend about the Shirdi project, that he had made Sai Baba sculpture, and he's awaiting the news for the stone from Rajasthan, because they had finalized that they will look for Makrana stone from Rajasthan, Jaipur, uh, although they would love to have a better quality stone. So, and then what happened, that Talimji's friend replied that there is a huge stone block which is in the docks for last 2 years, and nobody has come to claim that stone. And even during auction, nobody wanted to buy this block of stone. So the friend of Talimji requested him to come to the docks with his tools and check the stone if it can be used for Baba's sculpture. And again, look, this is all happening. Nobody knew it. That guy, by Baba's grace, he happened to visit Talimji, right? And at the same time, when he was looking for a better quality stone, although they had, asked from Jaipur. And what happened is, the next is, Talimji takes his tools and he goes to the dock where his friend had mentioned about the stone. He cleans the dust from the top of the stone block. And like the sculptors, they have their own way to figure out whether this stone is of the right specification and right quality. He chiseled some corner to get the feel of the block, and to his utter dismay, this was just what he wanted. He told his friend this block was the best quality Carrara marble of Italy. So this is the place from where Jayesh Bhai and Talimji mentioned me, that this is the place where you get the best marble in Italy, and this is the place where Michelangelo and all these people, they have made the sculpture. So how did this stone landed up here in Mumbai docks? Who bought it? For what? Nobody knew this, and it had been lying there for 2 years. And that person, friend of Talimji, tried to auction this stone many times, but nobody came to buy that. Ultimate procedures were made by Shirdi Sansthan to buy the block at much cheaper rate, right? And the statue was finally made. It was Shri Sai Baba who chose Talimji, kept the stone for 2 years for having his statue carved, got the Italian stone at a very cheap rate, and carved the final details himself. So this is all, Baba's miracle. And another, miracle. So they started making the sculpture. Now, while, and this is the model that you're seeing, while carving the statue, which was almost ready up to 85%, there was a hollow sound in the marked area. The blue sign, the blue circle that you see, there was some sound over there. And I'm not an expert. I hope Talimji could have, this network was not an issue, but what that means that there is some crack inside or something like that. So Talimji, an experienced sculptor, immediately stopped the work and slowly hammered the area all around. He was very worried and could do nothing. His experience told him there could be a crack or an air pocket. So this happens in blocks of stone. And Talimji stopped the work and called it a day. After his workers left, Talimji sat beside the statue praying to Baba. Next morning, Talimji himself tried to chisel out whatever comes his way and whatever Shri Baba wishes. Here again, there was a miracle. The unwanted portion of the statue, which was giving a hollow sound, just fell off on its own, just about leaving the portion of Baba's right leg and small finger intact. बाबा दस carved his own statue. So जो बाबा का जो पैर के पास है वहां पर जो क्रैक था, that would have been an issue, and Talimji उसके लिए बहुत, he was worried. So but what happened, it on its own, it fell off and everything was fine. So thus Baba statue was made by himself. And this is the picture of how that once the statue Baba's Pratima was made, how it was taken to Shirdi. So first, Baba statue was taken in procession from Talimji studio, Grant Road till Thane, and then from there by truck to Kopargaon. From there again in procession, Baba statue was taken to Shirdi. And this is the final, Baba's statue was installed by Balasaheb Dev and the family and unveiled by Swami Sai Shanananji. And at that time, we also heard a story about Gavankarji. Dr. Gavankarji was also there. He got laid. We heard that story in the episode when, of Gavankarji. So this is the entire story about Baba's thing. And I wanted to share with you now some of the works of Talimji. I'm sure I'm not doing as good justice as Talimji would have done this. So let me share with you. So this is Talimji. So this is some of the works in his studio that he has been doing there. This is Rajiv Talimji. Okay, so that's what I had. I'm sure there what we will do is, because of the network issues, it's unfortunate we couldn't connect with, but you can all see the point was I wanted to see if we can connect directly from the studio where this Baba's portrait sculptures was made. Can you hear us now? You can unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, now you can. Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you. Yes.
Yeah, but you have explained it very nicely.
I think there is a connection issue. There is a lag, but that's fine. But Mona ji, Talim ji never saw Baba in person, right? Although he was born during Baba was there, but he had never seen Baba, and that's the reason he was very perplexed, and he didn't know how to make the sculpture because they need to know the 3D of the person they are sculpting, and that's where Baba manifested himself there. So this is very related to how Hemant Pant wrote Satcharitra, right? It was not Hemant Pant, it was Baba. Through him got the Satcharitra written. It was Baba through Talimji got himself sculpted. He said, okay, if you don't know me, you don't worry, I will help you with that. And that's where he manifested himself. Baba's manifestation of himself through pictures during the holy holidays at Hemant Pant house. Baba's manifestation of himself through those Brahmins in Dev house, Balasai Dev house, that I shared with all of you devotees, right? So Baba manifests himself in one form or the other, and he helped his devotees what the work has to be done. So it's all Baba's grace, right? And I think although we can't hear you, Talimji, but we are very blessed to actually see the place where Baba's sculpture was done, and the original model of Babas, which is really very nice. This is really good. So any other questions you have on this? But what we will do is we will do a recording of Talim ji, and I think then we will share it. There is that's the problem we happened last week also, because Tarkhan ji's mandir also there, the network is not good, and we thought we will do a recording and then show it, but we couldn't record it. So, but I think we will do the recording this. And I think I would like at this time, I would like to thank Jayesh Bhai, who's right next to sitting to Talim ji. And I think I've been sharing with all of you devotees some rare things. Jayesh ji has spent good amount of time with Sharnanand Swami ji, Nana Sahib Rasne ji, Ram Baba, Godavari Mata ji. So he's very, I think I am fortunate to be in connection with Jayesh Bhai, and this whole session that we are having today, this slides, all that stuff with Talim ji, he's instrumental in organizing all this thing for all of you guys, for all the devotees. So thanks to Jayesh Bhai for helping us. So is Datta Murti at Sakori made by Talimji? I'm not sure if he can hear us, but the video looks like frozen. But I can definitely ask and get it answer this thing. Okay, so I will share. What I will do is I will share this PPT with all of you guys on this common WhatsApp group, and also it has the location of the Talimji studio. All of you guys, once the things settle down, you are all more than welcome to visit us, and I will also be doing the same thing. So I think with that, I think their network is still the issue. So we will wrap it up, and we will do Baba's Aarti of the same Baba's Pratima that we today saw or heard how it was done and how he, he manifested through Talimji.